Hi, kids. I wanted to give you a quick review of how to access Study Island because that is our Module 3 math lesson for the week. It's a Study Island assignment. What you have to do is log into your Google account. You want to make sure you are or your avatar or your initial or something is showing up in the Google window over here to your right, so you know it's you. And then you have to scoot over to our Marple Newtown School District bookmark, click it. You want to scroll down to Study Island. It's going to take you to that Clever login page. What you want to do is scroll down until you find Study Island. I'm going to click it. It's going to come up as my teacher page, but what you'll see is assignments. So you'll see Edmentum, and then you want to log in until you see your assignment page. And remember, if you don't see your assignments, click on, you have, there's a symbol of, it says classwork. It looks like a group of little people. You want to click on that and it should take you to your lesson. So the assignment is called, let me take you there. It is called Composite Volume, which is combined volume of the complex solids. Okay, that's the lesson that you're to do for Module 3. This other volume is just extra if you want some extra practice if you're having a little trouble. Okay, and that's how you access Study Island through your Marple Newtown School District bookmark. If you're having trouble accessing it, please let me know and we'll figure out what's going on.